Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. A class of 55 took examination in mathematics and science. If 35 passed mathematics and 40 passed science and 5 failed in both subjects, how many students passed in both subjects? Let's try to solve this using Venn diagram. Let this be representing 55 total students. 55 total students. And a circle inside it be representing 35 students who passed math. 35 who passed math. Math. This means that 55 minus 35 equal to 20 students failed math. Failed math. Similarly, about second statement, what we can do is let this be representing 55 total students. 55 total students. Out of them 40 passed science. Science. And this must mean that 55 minus 40 equal to 15 failed science. Failed science. Now about failing students, 5 students have failed both subjects. Now let's try to represent this information. Let this be number of students, that is 20, who failed math. And let this be representing 15 who failed science. Failed science. And these 5 represent students who have failed both subjects. Now we can say 20 minus 5 equal to 15 is the number of students who have failed only math. Only math. Similarly, we can say 15 minus 5 equal to 10 is number of students who failed only science. Science. Now, from this information, we can say that, let's see, total number of students is given as 55. So, 55 students, out of them, 5 failed both subjects. So, these 5 failed both subjects. So this must mean that 55 minus 5 equal to 50. This is the number of students who failed only single subject, either one subject or no subject. So 50 students failed only one subject or no subject at all. So they passed both the subjects or passed only one subject. So we can say this means 50 passed either one or both subjects. Let's look at the information here. 15 plus 10, that is 25 failed single subject. That means students, that means from diagram above, this third diagram, we can say, we know that 15 plus 10 equal to 25 students failed single subject. That means they must have passed the other subject, failed only one subject. That means they passed only one subject. Now we can say out of 50 students who passed either one or both subjects, 25 passed only one subject.
only one subject. So that must mean that 50 minus 25 equal to 25 passed both subjects. Both subjects. Let's see what are the options. Yes, answer is option B, 25.